bearish butterfly strategy in the Russell, you can do the strategy, but you would want to do it as an opportunistic strategy, because, the Russell might move, 100 points up. Would be, 100, 120 points up is a pretty big move for the Russell. I mean, this is a historic move. We've never seen one this big, but that's a pretty big move for the Russell, but it's nothing for the SPX. So if you're going to take that strategy and just do it in the SPX, it's different. Also, the volatility structure in the SPX is a lot more variable than the volatility structure in the Russell. Sometimes the SPX is actually has a worse volatility structure in the Russell, even though it moves a lot more. Sometimes it's better. So, in both trades with the M3 and, we have an M3-ish trade in the SPX, and it's very different than the M3. So we have had people trade successfully in the SPX with the M3 with the guidelines that we have in the Russell, and you can do that. I would prefer not to do that. I prefer to do it in the Russell. Your reward for trading is better, and generally you're going to have better results in the Russell.